pedang ki jingmi ki khubor bakadon ka kunhon nget nyam ka baber ngam ban khang ya ka let kawan sa Meghalaya lara ai lat ya ki ban Pynlong Jingthmu Blei hak Krem Mawjymbuiñ ka Jaka jengok kai partai beitanat bha hamau senram na kaliang ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kala shim bakane ka dei tang ka buj konsat ki badai na ka Bharatiya Janata Party Habakran cikilat pathai kubor hadin ke jingpen bana kerteng yaki kertong jongko Kongres kipanya ai reng hak election MDC syaka KHADC but JHADC hak janmit jongko khat khandai tarik unok pra araja arpusa uba Vincent H Pala u President ulaong bakadai ke drama jongko BJP yaka NPP hak jella ulaong baka BJP ka sungutanat ban penkul mar paj ba da ka bawan ra ke jing sngo yapernyam.
See, these all the BJP's gimmick and NPP, they closely. The BJP has failed, the NPP has failed. The drugs is all over. The economy has gone very badly. So these are all jointly gimmicks by the NPP and the BJP together, how to divert the intention of the people by bringing all these are all under the control of the BJP, all the NGOs and all. Somehow these way or that way are related to them only. So these all, I think, to divert the intention of the people because the people has criticized the government. So they are looking an opportunity to divert the intention and the minds of the people. So this is otherwise nobody can impose, any religion cannot impose anybody. We are tribals, we have our own culture, we have our own practice and systems. And the village, they have their own laws. These have been for many years, even when the Congress were there, many years this had been there. So they only try to divert the intention of the people.
Halor kini ke jingkno baka Congress kadai ke tim B jongka NPP ulaong baka dai tang ke jingkno daki basyun ya ke parti henry kumbali ipan babun kino yalam haka sorkar MDA2 kidai ki blami na ke Congress.
See, people who said a team B of the NPP are, I think, people who always oppose the Congress, might be people who left the Congress. If you see in the NPP, maximum are people who left the Congress. The deputy CMs both were from the Congress.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya